So what is a drone? This is a project on drones, specifically in the country of Japan, and we're going to talk about ways that they are useful, sustainable, and how they are used. So what is a drone? A drone is basically something in technical terms. It's an aircraft that pretty much has no pilot, no people inside, and it pretty much moves around with a controller to use as surveillance. We'll later talk about what it is, who is using them and how they're being used. But it's pretty much just, like we said earlier, an aircraft that has no pilot. It's in the air, and it usually typically has a camera. So who are using them? Everyone, people, companies, everyone is using drones now, because they obviously get to places that are higher up than we would be able to handheld record. The military uses them for like shooting missiles, surveillance, insurance companies for maybe a disaster like your home, construction sites, and agriculture. Agriculture for like fertilizing different areas to make it quicker and faster. But those are just a little bit of the many different ways that people are using them and who are using them. So where are they using them? Where are they using drones? So like I said earlier, specifically I chose Japan. But all over the world, people are using drones. Japan are using them very regularly for day-to-day uses. Two of the things that were very interesting to me that they use drones for is delivering medicinal supplies or medical supplies, and to monitor industrial sites. And we're going to talk about in the next couple slides of how they are used and where they're used. So why are they being used? Like in the last slide, I told you that they were used for medicine, to deliver medicine and things of that sort. But here I'm going to tell you two things as to why. The first one being to perform inspections to save companies time and money, because now they can quickly identify any potential safety hazards and take action to address them. And two, the Japanese government has been using drones to deliver medical supplies to remote areas. Drones move fast and safely, which can help transport vital materials to locations that have been inaccessible. This has been amazing during the COVID pandemic. So when are they using drones? Drones have been used since the 1950s, but right now they are being used more than ever before in Japan. So the sustainable goals that has been able to be achieved is number 8. For economic growth. Drones help to make new jobs, and they also help with economic productivity for Japan. So my 2 truths and 1 lie. 1. Drones can only be flown at 492 feet in Japan. 2. If drones are used unlawfully, you will do up to 4 years in prison. And 3. You can only fly drones during the day in Japan.